Second, dedicated students. Please keep quiet.
Sadie. Go mga friends! Go Becky! Go Becky! Hindi eh. Huwag ka magulo. Masyado ka ano eh. Uy! Di ba siksika ka pa? May nanonood?
When I see purchase, left to left and right, across the lines of straighter, darker trees, I like to think some boys been swinging them, but swinging hasn't bent them down to stay. Ice storms do not. Oh, man, you must have seen them. Know them with eyes. Sunny winter morning after rain. They think upon themselves as the breeze rises and turn many colors as the spear cracks and braces their enemy. Soon, sun's warm, makes them shake, freeze the shells, shattering and avalanching on the snow crust. Such sheets of broken glass to slip away. You'd think the inner dome of heaven had fallen. They are dragged to the withered, brackened by the load, and they seem not to break. Though once they are bound, so low, so low, so low for long, they never right themselves. You may see their trunks arching in the woods. Years afterwards, trailing their leaves on the ground, like girls on hands and knees that throw their hair over their heads to dry in the sun.
But I was going to say, when Jude broke in with all her matter of fact about the ice storm, I should prepare to have some boy bed there as he went out and in to fetch the cows. Some boy too far from town to learn baseball, whose only play was what he found himself, summer or winter, and to play alone.
One by one, subdued his father's peace by writing them down over and over again until he took the stiffness out of them. And not one was hungry, not one was left for him to conquer. He learned all there was to learn about not touching out too soon, and so not carrying the tree away clear to the ground. He always kept his boys to the town projects, lying carefully. With the same pains he used to fill a cup, up to the brim, the brim, the brim, and even above the brim. Then he flung outward, feet first, with a swish, kicking his head up to the air to the ground. So was I once myself a swinger of birches, and so I dream of going back to be It's when I'm wary of considerations.
Mandaro.
And life is too much like a cactus wood. Where your face burns. Ah! And tickles with the cobwebs. Broken across it. And one eye is weeping. From a twin having lashed across it open. I'd like to get away from Earth a while. And then come back to it and begin over. May no fate willfully misunderstand me. And have grant what I wish and snatch me away not to return. Where's the right place for love? I don't know. Where's likely to go better? I'd like to go by climbing a birch tree.
City.
And